So I'm going to tell you what I'm actually trading, and then I'm going to show you a few clips of my first day back testing this way. So simply put, my whole approach is basically just support and resistance. Go on the higher time frames, find major support and resistance, basically points where I've seen so much attention. And then I'm looking at various things as well when it comes on to validating those levels, and I just wait until price gets there and I'm looking for a reaction, whether that's to continue the trend, a pullback trade, a counter trend trade, a complete reversal trade. It all depends on so many different things, but all it boils down to is just waiting for price to get to a major support and resistance level where I can expect a reaction to some degree, and then when I see the trigger that I'm looking for, I go for it. That's it. That's all it is. The strength in this discretionary approach isn't the magical support and resistance levels. It's not the magical entry signal. It's not this magical filter or whatever. The strength is in the discretion, being able to understand what you're looking at, being able to understand the chart, being able to cycle through all the relevant time frames, wait to see that there is a valid reaction to some degree, and then going with it. Simple as that. So now let me show you my first day back testing this and what I was actually thinking as I was doing it. So first, start on the daily time frame. Where's the major support and resistance that absolutely everyone can see? I'd say it's here. It is very, very, very big though. You know, I think I'm gonna refine it to, I see that, but I am gonna delete it and I'm going to just go with this here. Most recent price action. Long-term trend is bullish. You can see short-term trend is bearish, as you can see. That's it. Here we could potentially get a rejection to the upside. I'd say we got a minor level here. See, right now I just feel a bit confused with what to do with this, but I know in due time it will turn around. Short term we are bearish. No, actually this would be the invalidation point for the uptrend. It's the major level. Anyways, if this breaks, then we can take some trades to the downside, and because I think the trend is shifted, but if this is going to continue to be an uptrend, then this is probably one of the lowest points that we're going to go to before we end up going all the way back to the top. Anyways, let's just see what happens. Let's not think too much. Right there, that was a break and retest. I guess for confirmation I can wait until, well, I guess it can crack down. And since it's cracked down, we can take a sell off here. Where would we end up going to? I say that's a daily minor. And obviously I said there's another level right here as well, which price has actually already came and touched. With that being the market structure swing, I think I don't want to try and trade past it, even though it's this major is flipped. I think this first day is a bit more like see how it plays out and have your loose assumptions, because the fact is that I've not even seen these patterns complete, as in play out in the market, so I have no idea what they're supposed to look like even when they're done. So I'm trying to just allow myself to see what happens. Anyways, price came down. I think this could be a simple break and retest trade of this daily major level, so I can set my pending order here, stop loss up here, and then take profit all the way down here. In that, this looks like a potential TPF as well. Okay, it shot down right back into this level again. stops can be to break even now. No scaling in type stuff at the moment. Stops to break even. And I guess this can be another break and retest. And if this one got triggered, then my stops would be up here. Same take profit. Down here. Both stops have been trailed as well for trail to here. To be fair, my profit target should have been there. Yeah, price came back up, rejected. Stop loss was up here because of all this resistance here. To be honest, it should have been a little bit even wider, or a little bit wider, I should say. And my take profit should have been there, because when you zoom out, you see where my take profit is down here. Price has only touched here twice. If I just come up here, then price has touched it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. So it's much more likely to touch here than it is to touch down there. So could have been a nice win, but it wasn't. It's what it is. Let me lock this now. If you want to stay tuned, subscribe and save this playlist.